Hi, my name is Andrea Orta Mashburn, and today I'm going to discuss how to sterilize bottles in the microwave. There are 4 simple steps in sterilizing bottles in your microwave at home. The first step is that you need to clean your microwave thoroughly. When you microwave foods, you're going to have different germs and ingredients that get into your microwave. If you microwave something spicy and then try to sterilize your bottles in the microwave, the spicy foods can sometimes get into the nipples and into the bottles, which could be hurtful to your baby. So make sure that you properly clean and sterilize your microwave even before you begin sterilizing your bottles and nipples in the microwave. The second thing that you need to remember when sterilizing bottles in the microwave is that you need to have microwave bottles, and you also need to have nipples that are microwavable as well. You can purchase these in any typical grocery store or any kind of baby needs store as well. The third thing that you need to remember is that you need to follow the directions closely. When you purchase a container for sterilizing your bottles and nipples, it's going to give you specific directions to follow. You may have to add a specific amount of water in order for the piece of equipment to properly steam your nipples and bottles. Make sure that you follow the directions closely and carefully before placing them in the microwave. You also want to remember that typically when it's being microwaved, that they're going to take anywhere between 90 seconds to 2 minutes. Make sure you're at least steaming these for 90 seconds. 90 seconds will not only kill most of the germs and bacteria, but will also allow for proper steaming to take place. So remember, be patient, be safe, and always put your baby's needs first.